Year 5, hello, guten Tag. Lesson 7, shopping lists and change. Now you can see I've put a little request in for you guys today. Minimal pen pencil work, please. Try and use your lovely little brains and just your mental math skills as much as you can. Now, if you need to write some things down like I'm going to show you, then that's absolutely fine. Okay, but like I said, if you're able to do it mentally, do it mentally because it's going to be even better for you. I'm going to show you what you're going to have to write a few things out, I imagine. So you can see, right, if we go through our example, before you guys have a go yourselves, I've given you prices in purple. Orange is 35 pence, lemons 27 pence, limes 18 pence. And I've asked you how much it's going to cost for 2 oranges, 2 lemons and 1 lime. This is how I really, really want you to do it. Okay, I want you to mentally work out how much 2 oranges cost. So you need to double 35p. Which is 70p. Then you need to work out the price of 2 lemons. So again, rather than write 27 add 27, I'd much rather you try to do it mentally. Okay, if you have to do it that way, fine. But ideally, you'll do as much as you can in your heads. Okay, so if I double 27p, I get 54p. And then 1 lime is 18p. So now I need to think about how can I add these up. Again, if it has to be a column addition, then fine. But in a perfect world, what I would ask you to do is, and there's 1,000,001 different methods, okay, for additions in your head. This is how I do it. So I'm going to add all my 10s together first. So I'm going to say 70p add 50p is £1.20. Add 10p is £1.30. Okay, if I need to write that figure down so I don't forget it, that's fine. And now I'm going to add together my units. I've only got 8 and 4, which is 12p. So if I add those together in my head, I get £1.42. So that's the cost. So like I said, if you have to write stuff down, do it because I want you to get the right answer. But if you're confident doing it like I did, then please do so. So I've given you a price list there. And I've given you 5 problems. So again, mangoes are 99p. So think about it. 3 mangoes, rather than work out 99p 3 times in my head, I would say to myself, well, I know that 99p is £1, and all I've got to do is add 1 on to that 99 pence. So 3 mangoes is that, take away 1p once I've got my answer. If I add those together, I get £3. Take away my 3p is £2.97. So again, if you've got methods that help you, use them. Okay, so now I know, and I would write this down. My mango is at £2.97, my banana is 20p. If I add those together, what do I get? Okay, so get rid of those because I don't want to confuse you. So again, your challenge today is to get every single answer right, but using as little of your ink in your pen or lead in your pencil as you can. So again, pause when you're ready to start, work your way through these 5 problems, and then we'll go through the answers. Okay, fantastic. So I have, pretty sure, yes I have, fantastic. So I've worked out all the answers. So the first one was £3.17. The next one was £1.84. C was £4.4p. D was £2.79 and E was £4.85. So if you did all of these correctly, there's your answers. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is use these correct answers for the next part of the problem, which is to work out how much change you got from a £5 note. Now, again, let's have a go doing this mentally. Okay, so if the cost was £3.17, tell me how much change you got from a £5 note. Again, pause the screen and go through, press play when you want to go through the answers. All right, fab. So let's go through these answers nice and quickly. So my change from something that cost me £3.17 is £1.83. It's a bit of a rubbish 8, sorry. Okay, next one, we get change of £3.16p. Next one, I will either write it out like that or like that. Both are correct. Next one is £4.21. And then the last one is 15p. That was really challenging today. So if you got some of those right, well done. And if you got them all right, I think you should be taking the lesson, not me. So well done. Auf Wiedersehen. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.